Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Getting Over It Scratch using an easy method. To begin, you will primarily use your mouse. Control the hammer by moving your mouse and click and drag to swing it. This action generates the momentum needed to climb. Focus on gentle, precise movements to prevent accidental falls, especially from significant heights. Mastering these basic controls is your first step to conquering the game's challenges. Once you understand the basics, focus on mastering hammer techniques. Practice hooking your hammer onto various ledges. This provides a stable point for pulling yourself up. Experiment with the game's physics to execute powerful, yet controlled, jumps. Developing a consistent rhythm in your swings and movements will significantly improve your efficiency and allow for steadier progress through challenging sections. Navigating obstacles requires patience and strategic thinking. Always look for safe resting spots where you can pause and plan your next move without pressure. Don't be afraid to experiment with different hammer angles and swing strengths to clear difficult gaps or climb steep inclines. Maintaining your composure and persistence, even after several falls, is crucial for overcoming the game's trickiest sections. To truly succeed, remember these essential tips. Take short, 5-minute breaks when you feel frustrated. This helps refresh your focus. Watching other players can provide valuable insights and new strategies for overcoming specific challenges. Most importantly, understand that consistent practice is absolutely key. Every fall is a learning opportunity, bringing you one step closer to mastering Getting Over It Scratch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.